sa labas for your grand entrance. Lahat na mga for 80 roses and 80 candles. Please proceed here at for your grand entrance.
I'ma get you drunk, get you no drunk off my hump, 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 my lovely little lumps. Check it out, I drive these fellas crazy. I do it on the daily. They treat me really nicely. They buy me all these ices, Dolce and Gabbana, Fendi and Madonna. Hearing they be sharing all their money, got me wearing.
Welcome to 80 candles. Once again, to welcome our debutante, please welcome Madame Teresita Magayon.
Tonight, we celebrate a young woman who shines with grace, beauty, and strength, like a true princess. She carries herself with elegance and heart full of
Once again, our attendant for tonight, Darren Saint. Palakpakan natin our attendant for tonight. Once again, congratulations, Miss Darren. Happy 80th birthday. And now, it's a round of applause please. Wala palakpakan dyan. Ho, man! Hey! Sayaw! Go now! Thank you very much, Mr. and Mrs. Ansong.
Not know me, I'm Alma Magayon, Darren's proud auntie. We are delighted to celebrate this special milestone with you tonight. And a warm welcome to our family, friends, relatives, Darren's classmates who have joined us for this memorable occasion. Thank you for being here tonight to celebrate Darren's 80th birthday. Your presence makes these occasions even more meaningful. And we are especially grateful to those who have supported Darren from the very beginning and continue to share in their journey. I still can't believe that Darren is now officially an adult. Watching you grow into a smart, beautiful, and kind young woman has made me so proud. As you enter adulthood, I hope you will carry these values with you. Stay humble, be kind, be responsible and honest. Treasure your friends and never take your family for granted. We love you, dearly Gum, and we are so proud of the person you have become. And of course, enjoy your journey and remember to have fun along the way. So, without further ado, let the celebration begin and have fun everyone and have a fantastic 80th birthday.
Thank you so much, of course, Ma'am.
So basically, if murag say big mama siguro kay murag mamahod naman siguro ni kay kinder to elementary mag-classmate jud ni ani dili jud ni mag ka nang maghiwalay ano kung ano lang ako high school lang pero as you enter a new milestone, always remember that your family is here to support you Since wala mo ko ka-prepared, the i-PM na lang tika sa the rest sa messenger. Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Ma'am Ella. Ma'am
Happy birthday, Dar. So we actually grew up together. So sometimes I forget that I'm actually 5 years older. Kasi we always bond together, do things together. So watching you grow up has been a special thing to witness. And now you're here with me. As you enter this new chapter, I wish that you'll be filled with wisdom and learn to trust yourself more. May your heart heal from every heartbreak and disappointment that life may bring. I genuinely believe in you, and I hope that you never stop believing in yourself too. I'll always be here for you through everything. Life may not always go the way you planned, but it doesn't only revolve around one path. There are still so many directions, opportunities, and beautiful things awaiting
Dire man ang
for you.
pamilya at pamili.
May the love you give always return to you thrice in gentler, bigger, and more meaningful ways than you
Lahi man
ever
na sila,
imagined.
ito.
Happy 8th.
Dire to ladinis.
Love you.
Kabalo namin dahil sa candle. My wish to you is magpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpapagpap Ding, dari mo kantin. Kasali kay ko. Dara ko.
Ay nangain mo nga pangalan kato anak.
Naudo ako kantin naman dito. Eh, wala na sila appeal na sila. Ikaw na kay pagpinsan. Ano, daghan naman nila.
Itin man, itin.
And good evening, happy birthday to our beautiful niece. It feels like yesterday you were little and now you're officially an adult. No matter how grown you become, you'll always be my precious niece. But remember, no boyfriend yet, Darren. Study first, okay? First week naman mo tonight. What? Dito ba? Why na ko? Turning 18, it means opening the door to new dreams, choices, and opportunities. Before this, stay true to yourself. Always keep your feet strong and your heart humble. Darren Sen, welcome to our fold. Dream hard, dream big, and trust God always. Happy 11th birthday, my love. I will always love you.
Thank you so much, Ma'am Teresita Lim, followed by
Happy birthday, 18th birthday. Actually, Darren, witness din ako na inyong pagdako. So, nagdako yun siya na very obedient sa iyong parents. I know Darren is very kind and very dedicated sa iyong school. I know, Darren, that life is not that beautiful, actually. So, you need some support system, and you have it. I know that our family has so much support system. And remember this one: every difficulties in life, I will give just one passage for you. Trust in God, and you will have peace and strength to face every difficulty. Just remember this passage, Karen, because everything will follow. Just trust Him. Happy birthday, God.
Thank you so much, Ma'am Jelly, followed by Ma'am Sofia Magayon.
And I wish you a happy birthday and happy birthday.
Alam mo, magaling na siya.
You were my first little sister. Even now that you're all grown up, you'll always be my little sister. Just know that Abby will always be here for you, supporting you, protecting you, you and cheering you on through everything. I'm so proud of the person you become. I pray to God that He will continue to bless you with a long, healthy, and happy life. And He always guide, protect, and strengthen you in everything you do. And may He fill your heart with peace, joy, and endless blessings every step of the way. I love you always.
Thank you so much.
Dalaga na jud ka, stay humble, stay kind. Padayon sa imong pangarap. Salamat sa pag-atag o kalipay sa among pamilya. Sulod sa 18 katuig, happy 11th birthday. We love you, God.
Thank you so much, Ma'am Marisa Alguna, followed by Ma'am Gemma Cabungos.
18th birthday sa among guwapang anis nga si Darwin, dili na jud baby, dalaga na kaayo. Enjoy your special day and keep shining always. I wish you all the best in your life. God bless you. I love you.
Thank you so much, Ma'am Gemma.
I wish you always a good health and happy birthday again.
Birthday, Ate Dora. Welcome to the Galati. Lang sige patagi ko sa sapa. Maglaagbisan asa that our laughter echoes everywhere. As your cousin, happy kayo po mga ano naman talaga. Proud you mo because despite sa imong struggle sa unang malayo sa imong mama o papa, nagpadayon giyapon ka. Ay no ko sa kalisod kung walay mama o papa sa pilihan. You grew into a wonderful, fine young lady. Always remember that turning 18 is not just about parties and prejudices, but also about new responsibilities and new experiences. Enjoy every moment, chase your
Na-shock ba? Dari Jane, you know, ikaw ang, diba, parang anak ng tagal sa akin. You know, napakabait mo,
Thank you so much, Sir Jordan. Thank you so much, sir.
Nakaka-cute.
Serious man.
Sir Arman. Warm applause. Mr. Rolando Ansong.
Si Mayor Duterte.
Superintendent and his father, Rolando Ansong. Wow, thank you very much. Once again, please welcome Mr. Rolando Ansong. Okay, to sing with her. Please. Father. The next is Magayon. The next in line. The next. Thank you so much.
Tapos kami ka partner.
Followed by the next is Maprina Lim. The next in line, Ma'am Sheila May Kalumba. Sir Mike Sicania. Albuna. RJ Lim. So please, our 80 treasures, please welcome